totally depends on your child. Hey, welcome back to the series of the solid food for babies and how to start and when to start. So if you watched my first episode about when to start your baby on solids, you would already know the 5 signs that a baby shows when they're ready to eat the solids. In this episode, I'm going to explain how to start on solids through 3 simple steps. First of all, be prepared. The first step is to prepare the food for the baby. So that means you need to prepare purees. For all the mums out there to do is to freeze the purees. So what it means is that you make a big batch, but the big batch for babies is very actually small. So with one sweet potato, for example, you can make 5 meals actually. So you just make a big batch of food and freeze it. To start for the babies, you're only going to give them very small amount, and the good way to freeze it is in a simple ice cube containers. The second step is to pick a very, very quiet time when there is no distraction for the baby or for yourself. So I would suggest the time is before, kind of in the middle of the breast milk or formula feeds. So when the baby is actually not super hungry, but it's not just eaten, so the baby won't be refusing just because it's not hungry. And the third step or little tip is start your baby with 1 or 2 teaspoons of puree per feed. And you will need to continue doing this for 1 or 2 weeks. It depends on, everybody is so different. It depends on your child. If you like those tips, please click the subscribe button and we'll see you next time.